Alright, just a quick portfolio update, and I'm just going to be talking while I do this update. Currently, what I'm doing is I am loading up an update to the mod that I'm making, because I just found out the problem with the thing. So basically, I have six gears: wood, stone, iron, gold, diamond, and stool. Um, and I'm using metadata in order to make them because they're all gears, but they just have they have different textures. So I'm using metadata, and I was just testing it out, and I couldn't figure out why the wooden one was had the stool gear texture, and the rest didn't have any textures at all. Turned out that instead of that for the metadata, I put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Spent 3 hours trying to figure that out. Anyways. So, what exactly is this portfolio? Well, this is just going to be an update for me to build, I guess. Uh, it's just for me to build my portfolio. That's literally it. Nothing else to really say. Um, yeah. So, okay. I don't know why I'm doing that. One second. Sorry, my bad. And I mean, I've done a lot since last summer when I first started coding. I did JavaScript. Um, I did Java. I made Java games. I made Java programs. I made a few algorithms. Ooh, what's happening? Why is it taking so long? Uh-oh. Uh, I did Java projects and then I switched to Unity after a long time of doing Java. And I started making games. I published apps on the App Store. Oh, and one of the games I'm most proud of is in Java because it was purely object oriented. I can't speak. Object oriented and made from scratch. No Gradle libraries, no extra libraries um, used. Oh God, what is happening? Okay, wait. Maybe that's why. And then I switched to C Sharp and um, there we go. Then I switched to C Sharp and Unity. I made games in PC and mobile, 3D and 2D. Over the summer, I plan to do a VR game, which I'm very excited to start. I played Sky Factory with my friend, and although that's not coding, it does show like my engineering mind, how I love to make machines, and Sky Factory is just factories, basically. And I made this awesome sapling generator. Um, and now I'm doing a Minecraft mod. I did a Minecraft mod once before, but it was on the Mac and it was very glitchy. Um, and I didn't really know what I was doing because I was still fairly new to coding. And I'm very happy I stopped making it because honestly I was not benefiting anything because it was just too advanced for me. Now I'm doing a mods again, and wow, I'm in 9th grade. Can't believe how much time's passed. Um, Over the summer, I do want to do Crazy Craft with my friends. And the textures are working. Yay! And here, wait, I'll show you what the metadata stuff was. So, just take this. Okay, Minecraft item. F3H. Alright, I'm just gonna. Is that it? Yep, there we go. So, this is what metadata is, basically. you can see, okay, so let's first look at a few items without metadata. You can see I have my name of the item, and I have the ID, and then I have the project the mod ID, colon, and then the unlocalized name of the item, right? However, I have the same item, in this case this is gears, but they all have different textures. Well, over here you can see I have a stone sword and a stool shovel, and you can see it says in the unlocalized name it's stool underscore shovel, and then this is stool underscore sword. Then in the wooden gear, it's just all wooden gears. However, they have different metadatas. Same thing for the blocks with metadatas that I added. I think that's what it's called. I forgot. So I'll just take these out. You can see again they all have the same metadata ID, and when I just put these like that, you can see when I look at this one, if you look on the right over here, on the right, okay, with slash rather clear. If you see on the right, you can see, if you can see my cursor, it says just crap block breaker, and then when I move over here, it still says block breaker, keep saying that, but below it says the type. The type is wood, the type is stone, iron, gold, diamond, and stool. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not sure about whoever's watching this. But yeah, I mean, I can't believe it. 8th grade, I started coding. It's now the end of 9th grade. Time really flies. But yeah, I'm coding at a very young age, which I think is pretty cool. Gives me an advantage. In the end, I love coding because I don't know, I think it's fun just to code and then to have the result and to share it with my friends and have fun playing the game with them. Basically just sharing the fun is very nice. And maybe if I don't go into game development, I can go into some other form of programming that helps others. Yeah, I mean, I have my old school to thank for that mindset. While they were horrible at academics, academics basically, and balancing politics. So they did teach me good values. They may not have taught me why those values are good. I had to figure that out on my own. But they did teach me those values. Of course, my new school, well, not my new school, my current school, very happy there. That's where I learned why those values are good. Not because anybody told me, not because I had classmates who taught me that. It's just I learned it on my own because of the way they taught me. They gave me the tools to teach myself, essentially. Oh, and I should probably show you the other things I have. Slash game mode survival. So if I just, oh goddammit, slash game mode creative. So let's just put these back. Just take out a few items. I'm just gonna take out this crappy block. Copperlight ore. Actually, no, I'll take 64 of the copperlight ore. I'll take a furnace. Oh, goddammit. Furnace. What is it called? A crafting table and some sticks. Oh, and some lava. Alright, so this is really cool. So this is the mod so far. Okay, slash game mode survival. And I actually plan to expand this mod, obviously. How I want to expand it is, oh, I forgot. This isn't I do want to add an achievement book. It's gonna be called 50 Shades of Brown. Um, it's an achievement book slash game creative. Alright, so currently this coprolite ore doesn't really do anything. I'm gonna fix that later on. Let me just, what was it, coprolite? Oh, by the way, I googled this. I really wanted to have good names for this mod, you know, for items and stuff. So I googled, so usually if I can't find a name, I go to Latin. Even though it dropped Latin, it's there. I it wasn't the vocabulary I was bad at. It was just all the conjugations. I did not understand it. I'm really bad at systematic learning of languages, which is part of the reason my Spanish grade dropped. I'm really trying to raise it up though. But it dropped because we're doing this systematic learning for Spanish, and it might have worked if I didn't go to my old school, but I went to my old school and I learned it very differently. Okay, so anyways, what's gonna happen is you get coprolite ore, you break it, and when you break it, it'll drop coprolite ingots, and these ingots can be smelted just like this. Just give it a little. Okay, I hear spider, so we'll use a spider later on. So oh, and they give me two levels. So once I get enough, alright, there we go. Oh shit. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly go over here. Do that. Okay, there we go. Where's the creeper? Now, see that? When I hit him, it poisons him and it slows him. Get it? Because it's poop. It stinks and it makes you nauseous. But it does very little damage. Actually, I should make it do no damage. So what's going to balance it out is if the opponent has milk, because milk takes away effects. So milk would balance that out. I might make an item called instant milk, which would directly counter this. And what also balances it is, okay, I need to change the attack damage. That does way too much. What also balances it is the durability. It only has 25 hits, which is very, very bad. Yeah, and of course you can make other tools. Although, here, just put that in. Once I get 9, I'll show you the crappy block that I made. Now I do need to add droppings. Okay, that was an unintended pun. I don't mean poop droppings, but like, you know, like, when you break a block, it drops the actual block. Oh shit. Okay, wait, okay, I'll make this quickly. Just do that. Shit, okay. Oh, by the way, I made all of these textures, so I'm very proud of myself. Oh yeah, you can see that the durability goes down really quickly. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, so it's almost already at halfway, and it's only been like a few hits. So I have this crappy block, and I'm very proud of this texture because I made it myself. Of course, when you break it, nothing happens, so I'm just gonna do slash give Voraxio, just crappy blocks 64. And alright, I actually want to test something. My bad. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. What if I just place this down? Because I know when you place coprolite ore and you mine it with a pickaxe, it drops it, but not when you just break it with your hands. Okay, I see. Okay, so it's essentially what I have now, right now, is essentially, oh wait, is it the same with this? Yeah. What I have right now essentially is, blocks that break instantly. However, it's still, so, you know, you mine it with your hands and it won't give the item back, just like normally. However, what makes it weird is the fact that there's no mining time. So that I need to change. Wrong weapon. And and oh, prunes. I made prunes. So if I just slash give or axio just crap prunes 64. Oh shit. Okay. So I'm just gonna run around, right? How have I not used up any hunger? Oh god. That's not good. Okay, so it's a poop mod, so I couldn't resist adding prunes. I'm thinking of adding beans next. In which case beans do the opposite of what prunes do. But basically what prunes do is it gives you quite a bit of gives you quite a bit of hunger. And it instant heals you for about 1 second. No, for 7 seconds. But they're gonna be extremely hard to make. That's what's gonna balance it out. It's gonna use a lot of rare ingredients. And it's gonna use a lot of processing, such as like, no, oh, what is this? Okay, slash game mode. Okay, never mind. I thought it was just one of those repeating things, but I guess not. Honestly, I really should be doing homework, so I'm gonna get off now. But thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.